Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will start Block 10, more on geographical forms. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. In previous classes, we have studied about mountains and deserts. So, mountains and deserts are physical features of the earth. And today we will learn about some more physical features of the earth. Okay, means geographical forms related to earth. Be ready. So, let's revise what we have studied in previous class. We have studied about living in a desert. So, do you know what is a desert? If you know, you can answer to your partner. Desert is a area full of sand and with hot and dry climate. And camel is the ship of desert. Deserts are hot, very hot at daytime and cold at night. So people wear cotton clothes at daytime and woolen clothes at night. In a hot desert, people live in tents made from camel's skin and they move in caravans for trade and doing business. So they travel in a group. That group is called caravans. And main food of deserts are dates, dry bread and camel milk and meat. People not get enough water source, or people get water in a desert from oasis. Oasis is small water pool, or it's like a small pond near desert. And as you know, camel is the ship of desert. Camel is able to survive in a desert without water for many days, and because of paddy fat and the quality of camel, that camel can store fat on its hump. Such features help camel to survive in a desert. Now, keywords from today's topic. Oceans means oceans is the largest water body. Sea is a bigger water body, smaller than ocean. And geographical means related to the earth. Okay. Now answer. Have you ever seen a sea or an ocean? Do you taste the water of the sea? What do you think? If you did not see a sea or ocean, then do you know what is the taste of the water of the sea or ocean? So oceans and seas are large water bodies. The water in these water bodies is salty and cannot be used by us. And today we will learn about oceans and seas and their features. These are large water bodies. So this is our today's topic also. Topic is large water bodies, block 10, lesson plan 1. Now write topic name, block name and start new block from new page. And note down the keywords also. Now, our aim for today is to be able to explain the features of large water bodies. Now open your content book. Before that you need to observe these two maps. Okay. Now after observing these maps, I will give you some instructions and you need to follow that instructions and give some answers. Now notice in these two pictures, I am zooming them for you. You need to observe that how many oceans do you see? I am zooming it. Observe this picture carefully and you need to observe that how many oceans do you see? Name them. And in this picture, as you know, India is in Asia continent. Okay, and India is in southern part of Asia. As you know, this is upper side is north and lower side is South. So India is located in southern part of Asia. So you need to observe and answer, does India have any seas close to it? I can give you a clue that Indian Ocean is near India. So can you answer, does India have any seas close to it? Which seas are closer to India? If India is located in southern part of Asia. And notice that which ocean lies between Africa and America? Which ocean lies between North America and Africa? And next is, which is the biggest and which is the smallest ocean? So you can observe by the size. This is Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and this is also from here to there, this is Pacific Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Now observe which ocean is biggest and which is smallest. And here you can see Southern Ocean also. Southern, Arctic, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. And this is the size of Atlantic Ocean. Observe that which is the biggest and which is the smallest ocean. And one more thing is, here you can see location of many seas: Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is also a sea. East China Sea, Sea of Japan. So now observe and answer, name only one sea that is surrounded by land on all sides. Okay. You can observe these pictures by pause the video. And here are the questions you need to answer. Read the topic large water bodies. Look at the world map of water bodies in an atlas if you have. Okay. If you have atlas, you need to look at the world map of water bodies. And if you don't have, you can observe these pictures. And answer that biggest and smallest oceans. Which is the biggest and which is the smallest ocean? Which ocean lies between Africa and America? And name one sea that is surrounded by land on all sides. Means name one sea that is landlocked. Pause the video, write answers to these questions in your notebook, and complete this activity. Come back again to answer my questions. So, questions are, how many oceans do you see? Name them. Does India have any seas close to it? What do you think? You can. So, India, there are 5 oceans in the world. Okay. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. You can learn them like this. P-A-I-S-A. PAISA. So you can easily learn all the oceans name from biggest size to smallest size. Pacific, A for Atlantic, I for Indian Ocean, and S for Southern Ocean, AR for Arctic Ocean. And they are written from biggest to smallest size. Means Pacific Ocean is the biggest and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. And which ocean lies between Africa and America? So this is Atlantic Ocean. And which ocean is close to India? Located close to India. So if India is in southern part of Asia, Asian continent, so Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea is located near India. These seas are located near India. Bay of Bengal on the east side, and Arabian Sea on its west. Okay, and here you can see Pacific Ocean. Which ocean is the biggest and smallest? Now let's observe the picture. So as we can see, Pacific Ocean is located from here to there. So Pacific Ocean is the biggest, and Arctic Ocean, this is very small. So Arctic Ocean is the smallest, and Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. Arctic Ocean near the North Pole is the smallest. And India has Bay of Bengal in east side and Arabian Sea on its west side, and Bay of Bengal is also a sea. So these two seas are close to India, and the Pacific Ocean is deepest and largest ocean in the world, and Arctic Ocean in North Pole is the smallest ocean. And name one sea that is surrounded by land on all sides. There are many seas that are surrounded by land on all sides or landlocked, but you need to name one sea. Let's observe the picture. So which sea is surrounded by land on all sides? Name one. So we have many seas. Caspian Sea, Aral Sea and Dead Sea are landlocked or surrounded by land. Here you can see Aral Sea. This is surrounded by land. Dead Sea and Caspian Sea. Okay. Now answer, what are the features of oceans and seas, and what are landlocked seas? So features are, oceans are the largest of the water bodies and have salty water. Okay, oceans are largest water bodies and have salty water, and seas are salt water bodies which are smaller than oceans. Seas are usually connected to land and thus have beaches. You can see, if you have seen a sea, so you can understand that seas are usually connected to land. That's why we have beaches near sea. And seas are shallower than oceans, means seas are less deeper than oceans. Oceans are more deeper than sea. Some seas such as the Caspian Sea and Aral Sea, Dead Sea are surrounded by land or landlocked. And one more thing, you need to answer this question in the comment section, that what are the seas that surrounded by land on all sides? You can observe from your atlas, and if you know some more seas, you can answer in comment section. We will see that who know the answer. And please don't write such comments like good morning and ma'am I have done. There will be only discussion in the comment section. Okay, remember this. Only discuss your doubts and answer this question, that which seas are landlocked. And one more new thing is, from now you will not get any discussion video or answers. So if you have any doubt, please ask on the same day and get answers of your questions. But first you need to watch the video, read the book, and then if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, from now you will not get any written answer keys or something. So please ask your doubts in the comment section on the same day when you are completing your work, and answer this question in the comment section. Next question is, what impact does wind have on seas and oceans? What do you think? What impact does wind have on seas and oceans? So the water in both oceans and seas is always moving, okay, because of wind. This movement is caused by the wind pushing the sea water, and this leads to the formation of waves. There are waves in sea and oceans because of wind. And this is question of the day. You can answer this question in Schoolia in online exam section. Question is, which sea is not surrounded by land? Which sea is not landlocked? And answer this question in the comment section. Which are landlocked seas? Everyone, you have to answer. If you don't write your answer, it's mean that you don't know the answer. So please participate and answer in the comment section that which are landlocked seas. So this is about more on geographical forms, large water bodies, seas and oceans. After watching the video carefully, this is your writing work for today. Read the topic, large water bodies, finish S1 and do PQ 1, B and C and PQ 3 to 5. Sorry, this is your writing work, not that. Writing work is do PQ 1A and PQ 2. This is your S1. Question 1 is name them. Biggest ocean, smallest ocean and landlocked sea. Question 2, write any two features each of oceans and seas. Question 3, if it is not safe to walk on the beach on a stormy day when the wind is very strong, why? It is not safe to walk on the beach on a stormy day when the wind is very strong. Why? What is the reason? Think and answer. Now let's revise what we have studied. We have studied about large water bodies, seas and ocean. Ocean is the biggest water body and seas are smaller than ocean. They have salty water. So we cannot use this water for drinking or for other purposes. Though 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water, but we have shortage of water because the water of ocean and seas is salty. And biggest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. And smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Landlocked seas are Aral Sea, Caspian Sea and Dead Sea. And ocean between Africa and America is Atlantic Ocean. And ocean close to India, sea, is Indian Ocean, and seas close to India are Arabian Sea on its west and Bay of Bengal on its east. And what is the impact wind have on seas and oceans? Wind pushing the water leads to the formation of waves. So wind make wave on seas and ocean. And answer this question in the comment section after watching the video. If you have any doubt, ask, because from now you will not get any answer key in written. So if you have any doubt, ask in the comment section on the same day. If you have any doubt today, ask in the comment section. Okay? Take care everyone. God bless.